Siedle is one of Europe's leading manufacturers of building communication technology. To make the development and production site in Furtwangen in the Black Forest fit for the future, the company has commissioned Dematic, the intralogistics specialist, to automate its warehouse and picking operations. Dematic installed an AutoStore system to replace the previous automated small parts warehouse. With the compact piece goods picking system, Siedle is streamlining and accelerating processes in logistics and production. In addition, the existing material flow computer in the pallet warehouse was replaced and, with the help of the Dematic module SubSuite, the control of all automatic system components of the pallet warehouse was realized in SAP.
From the outset, the premise for this new small parts warehouse was that we did not want to invest in a new building. We were impressed by the AutoStore solution. It can be ideally integrated into existing buildings.
The system automates both the storage and picking of products and components at Siedle, which are either delivered directly to customers or processed further in the company's own production. Due to its compact design, Siedle would not need to expand its logistics center. Rather, AutoStore adapts to the spatial conditions on site. The items are stored in a storage block consisting of 12,500 containers. The system itself takes up only 480 square meters. 7 robots move across the surface, automatically accessing any container when the goods it contains are requested. They then transport these independently to the workstations where the items are picked and distributed for further processing in production or for delivery to the customer. The AutoStore system is automatically controlled and operated via the SAP WM warehouse management software. The Dematic SubSuite module was set up on top of this to map all the functions. The solution is a template developed by Dematic for controlling material flow and control center activities, which is fully integrated into SAP WM. The software also schedules the picking process. To do this, it combines individual items into groups, assigns them to a picking station, and automatically arranges for the containers to be transported to the workstations. The control of the processes is directly integrated into Siedle's SAP system, eliminating the need for interfaces to external systems.
With this project, we have achieved a unified IT landscape and were able to implement both the material flow computer and the warehouse management processes, as well as the control center processes, in a single system with Dematic SubSuite.
By investing in the AutoStore system, Siedle has future-proofed its production site in Furtwangen, both economically and technically, for the next few years.
The AutoStore system is a very stable and robust system, so much so that we now have 98% fewer system failures. What's more, efficiency has increased as a result of the changes to processes and picking dialogues. We have a 20% increase in profitability and efficiency, which has been achieved through improved picking dialogues. These improved dialogues have also ensured a 30% reduction in the error rate.